Meme coin dollar sponge price to shoot up as buyers pour in. Bitget and Gate join Mexican exchange listings rush. Thursday, May 11, 2023. Top-performing meme coin dollar sponge is set to list on 2 more exchanges, Bitget and Gate, after listing on MEXC today. Both centralized exchanges will start trading the dollar sponge coin on Friday, May 12 at 1 am UTC. By Friday, dollar sponge will have been listed on 8 exchanges in total, with no doubt many more to come. According to CoinMarketCap data, Gate is the 9th-ranked exchange and Bitget 14th. They have respective trading volumes of $801 million and $895 million. Data site CoinGecko, meanwhile, ranks Bitget and Gate 8th and 9th respectively, with Bitget 7th for the highest visitor traffic of all exchanges globally. Deposits on Bitget begin today at 1 am UTC, and the startup event for Dollar Sponge starts at 7 p.m. UTC on Gate. Dollar Sponge has an astounding week with strong upside ahead as CEXs queue up. Dollar Sponge has had an astounding week. Its price is up around 600%, according to CoinMarketCap data. Bulls are waiting eagerly for the most recently announced crop of exchanges to list Dollar Sponge. Today, Thursday, Dollar Sponge starts trading on 10th-ranked centralized exchange MEXC Global at 1 am UTC. Other exchanges already listing Dollar Sponge are Poloniex, L Bank, CoinW, 2bit, CEXs, and the one expected to be announced tomorrow. As volumes explode and traders flood in, more exchanges are likely planning to list the hot meme coin. Dollar Sponge is trending 3rd coin on Dextool's 37th Twitter followers in 6 days. Dollar Sponge is trending at no. 3 on the decentralized exchange trading site Dextool's and has a project reliability score of 98 out of 99. Trading volume remains above $13 million and liquidity is at $7.3 million, making the coin one of the healthiest among the new wave of meme coins in terms of market depth. The project now has 37.6K followers on Twitter after only 6 full days, as its community explodes in size. There are also nearly 20,000 members of its Telegram group and 2,628 on its Discord server. Although the dollar sponge price is off its highs at the start of the European session, as some profit-taking takes place, the number of token holders continues to grow, now numbering 11,200. It is not known how many token holders there are on the expanding roster of centralized exchanges listing the coin, as this data is shielded. However, holders on CEX are likely on the way to being well in excess of those holding Dollar Sponge in their own self-custody wallets. Dollar Sponge has cultural value and is a platform for growth. Dollar Sponge has a lot going for it in comparison to its rivals like Pepe. For one thing, Dollar Sponge is said to have a team of seasoned professionals behind it who have launched many other successful tokens. What's more, the team includes a VC element, making it the meme coin of recent times known to have such high-level involvement. According to a recent Twitter Spaces community event, the team is planning a big marketing push for Dollar Sponge that will leverage the meme's global potential. In paying homage to one of the most recognizable cartoon characters in the world, Dollar Sponge is an opportunity to secure a big slice of the cultural internet zeitgeist and the value that represents. Also, the speed with which Dollar Sponge has brought on board 8 exchanges is evidence of the prized relationship that some of the individuals behind it have in the industry. That puts Dollar Sponge in good stead for not just more top exchange listings, but for its longevity and future price appreciation. Dollar Sponge, as the website states, has no formal team, and the token is for entertainment purposes, but it obviously has individuals working together at an informal level. So although there is no concrete talk as yet about the future utility vectors that might be built on top of Dollar Sponge, this is a distinct possibility, presumably depending on the future progress of the coin. Nevertheless, whatever of the longer-term future, in the here and now Dollar Sponge continues to make waves, soaking up the damp from sellers who will live to regret their haste. Dollar Sponge has arrived now. The long-established rich people know about it. Indeed, it might be argued that when you start getting covered in the highly influential New York Magazine, read by NYC's high-net-worth cultural sommeliers and the masters of finance on Wall Street, you can be said to have arrived. Although there's plenty of incorrect information in the article, which is the sort of thing to be expected from non-crypto publications, there are only 2 meme coins mentioned in the piece, and that speaks volumes. All those other people in the Bitcoin queue aren't buying groceries. They're sending each other memes. These aren't elevated or important memes. We're literally talking about Pepe the Frog and SpongeBob. 2 meme coin projects, one based on the amphibian Pepe and the other on SpongeBob, are currently enjoying a major speculative boom, both acting like it's 2021 again. Dollar Sponge holders can rest assured then that they are onto something that radiates tangible value, whatever the website disclaimer may say for legal Reasons. New money flows into Dollar Sponge as MEXC opens the doors. Now that the price has found a comfort zone after the shenanigans on the markets following the U.S. government sale of a large tranche of Bitcoin and Elon Musk stirring the pot with his Milady NFT tweet, new money is starting to come back into Dollar Sponge. Today's MEXC listing is acting as a conduit for much of that money, providing Dollar Sponge with a platform for takeoff. Currently priced at 5,220 cents, Dollar Sponge market participants can look forward to strong upside as the MEXC, Gate and Bitget exchange listings bolster momentum. Don't miss out on the Dollar Sponge airdrop. If you are a Dollar Sponge holder, you are eligible to sign up for the airdrop. All you need to do is click the link at the airdrop sign-up page on Discord and then share your Discord, Twitter, email, and wallet addresses. Once all four are connected, you are eligible for the airdrop. Airdrop tokens will be awarded for 3 criteria. Engagement on Discord. You need to achieve highly engaged status. Amount of Dollar Sponge purchased. Amount of Dollar Sponge traded on Uniswap. CEX volume cannot be seen by the Dollar Sponge systems, so not included. The scores will be reset every week. The cutoff date snapshot for eligibility is yet to be released, which means to be eligible for the airdrop there is no time to lose in becoming a Dollar Sponge holder. Stick with the smart money. Stick with Dollar Sponge. Stick with Dollar Sponge, and you know you are probably hanging out with the smart New York money. Run for the hills and you risk losing your shirt. Diamond hands will win the day, but dire. You can buy Dollar Sponge on 6 centralized exchanges, including MEXC from 10 UTC. Buyers can also purchase on decentralized exchange Uniswap directly on the Dollar Sponge website at Sponge VIP. Buy Sponge here.